Well guys, very good morning to everyone. Hi, this is Master Satya here. Friends, actually I had come to show you a waterfall here. This is Urmagad, and after a long travel of 25 kilometer I have got here, and I reached here right now. As you can see the place here, it's quite beautiful. You see, okay, it needs no edit. It looks quite splendid all around. Let's see and find the stream. I will take you. So this is the surrounding area of the waterfall. Guys, this place is extremely beautiful. This is the viewpoint where we can see the waterfall here. It's very well constructed. Okay, this camera is coming good. Now look the view from here. It's so beautiful, guys. I'm just enthralled here. Wow. But guys, sorry to say, there is no water this time because it is a peak summer month, and this time we do not find beautiful stream running out here. Hey boys, look here. Okay guys, there is no water here. It has a deep gorge this time. A very beautiful place. No water this time. Otherwise, it is a very beautiful, very beautiful. I'm really enjoying this site. Quite silence. The time is quite silence today. Actually friend, this is very peak summer month, so we don't have water in this stream, and otherwise it could have been a beautiful journey. You cannot find the spounding of water over here because there is no stream, and the very ideal time for coming to such place is between the September and January. Otherwise you will not find water because it's just a small stream out there, and the water is plunging down there, right? Let me show you. The water from here is plunging down there, then it creates a beautiful scenic beauty over here. The water plunges out from here. It's really, there is no thundering, neither thundering nor the drizzling sound of water today. It's quite calm. However, the place is quite amazing, and I enjoyed a lot. No problem, at least I saw the place, and definitely I will like to come again to this beautiful place. Okay guys, bye for now. This is a very small video. I just showed you the surrounding area over here. Okay guys, bye for now. Let me show you other places if possible out there. There is a small park there. There is a small. A small park is there for children. There is no tourist also this time because actually nothing to see this time. Na? Here is a stream running between the hills, and actually there is a very small stream, and it is draining the all surface runoff of these hilly tracks of this area. I'm going to show you the very small stream out here, and this stream is making its way through this hilly track, as you can see. And here it is diving down there, right? I will show you the place as I have already shown you out. Okay, so the water is flowing through this area. The entire area is covered with water during the rainy month up to winter, and and this way it makes its way and dived into here, and it creates a pool out there, a very beautiful pool out here. There is a pool here, right? It creates very beautiful pool here, right? You see the passage here. If I'm clear, I would show you. There is a beautiful passage running down there. Okay guys, I will not go down there. If there be water, I could have gone there. So this is the entire place. I'll definitely visit during the month of rain and winter. Okay guys, so this is what the entire area. Indeed, however, there is no water, but it giving a very beautiful smell out here. It's just very pious and heavenly out here. Okay, it's very nice place guys, very nice. You see the tall towering trees all around. When you are coming on such trips, we'll go out taller at the end of the trip. It's really an amazing out here. Oh, oh water, my boy. Okay guys, let's get back to our journey. A group of goats, a flock of goats. These goats do not need a guide here. There is no shepherd. They just going off the hills, and they are grazing out there and coming back. It's a nice thing over here in the forested areas of my district. I like you see the kids here, right? Small kids, right? Very beautiful. Here is the small children park. Very nicely made, but there is no tourist today because no stream. My uncle is out there. किसी किसी नना तो बढ़िया अच्छी मस्त प्लेस टे हेटा जिते बेले वाटर आसवा बहुत खतरला दिसवा मस्त दिसवा ए हरिशंकर न सबुठारु भलटा खाली वाटरफॉल इन अदरवाइज हरिशंकर इज बेस्ट Okay guys, bye for now. Here we ended off our journey and now we are going back. Bye for now.